Welcome to our roundup of the best sous vide machines. Whether you're looking for restaurant quality precision, effortless meal prep, or a smarter way to cook steaks, chicken, seafood, and vegetables to perfection, we've selected top-rated sous vide cookers that combine reliability, performance, and modern features. We'll break down each model's key specs like power, temperature accuracy, connectivity, build quality, ease of use, and overall value to help you find the perfect fit for your kitchen. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal sous vide machine for you. The first on the list is the Innova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 2.0. If you want a balance of power, smart features, and proven performance, this model sets a strong foundation. The Innova Precision Cooker 2.0 is powered by a 1000-watt heating element, delivers precise temperature control within 0.1 degrees, and features Wi-Fi connectivity for remote control. That combination makes it a dependable option for both beginners and experienced home chefs. Performance is where this cooker shines. The 1000-watt motor quickly heats water and maintains consistent circulation, ensuring even cooking from edge to edge. Whether you're cooking a thick ribeye steak, tender chicken breast, or delicate salmon fillet, the stable temperature control helps eliminate guesswork. Set your desired temperature and time, and the cooker handles the rest. The built-in Wi-Fi connectivity pairs seamlessly with the Innova app. This means you can start, stop, or monitor your cooking session directly from your phone. The app also includes guided recipes and cooking tips, which are especially helpful if you're new to sous vide. You can literally start dinner while you're still at the office and come home to perfectly cooked food ready to sear and serve. Design-wise, the stainless steel skirt is removable for easy cleaning, and the adjustable clamp fits most pots and containers. It's built to handle daily use and feels sturdy without being overly bulky. The digital display is bright and easy to read, giving you clear temperature and timer settings at a glance. Overall, the Innova Precision Cooker 2.0 is a powerful and versatile sous vide machine that delivers consistent results, smart app integration, and dependable performance for everyday cooking. Next up is the Greater Goods Kitchen Sous Vide Machine. If simplicity and value are high on your list, this one deserves attention. It features a 1000-watt power heating system, an easy-to-use LED touchscreen display, and accurate temperature control up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit. It's designed for straightforward, stress-free cooking without unnecessary complexity. The 1000 watts of power allow it to heat water efficiently and maintain stable temperatures for extended cooking sessions. That's essential for sous vide, especially when preparing tougher cuts of meat that require hours of cooking to break down and tenderize. From brisket to pork shoulder, this machine keeps temperatures consistent. One of the standout aspects is the intuitive touchscreen interface. Instead of navigating through complicated menus, you simply set your time and temperature with a few taps. The controls are responsive and the display is bright enough to see clearly in most kitchen lighting conditions. In terms of design, it's compact and lightweight, making it easy to store when not in use. The clamp system attaches securely to most standard pots, and the stainless steel build ensures durability. It's also relatively quiet during operations, so it won't dominate your kitchen with noise during long cooking sessions. Overall, the Greater Goods Sous Vide machine offers dependable power, easy controls, and great value, making it a solid choice for anyone who wants reliable sous vide performance without extra tech features. Next, we have the Innova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 3.0. This model takes smart cooking to the next level. It comes with an 1100-watt heating element, dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity, and improved water resistance with an IPX7 rating. These upgrades make it one of the most advanced options in Innova's lineup. The increased 1100-watt power means faster heating times and improved recovery when adding cold food to the water bath. This is particularly helpful when cooking larger quantities or thicker cuts of meat that require hours of cooking to break down and tenderize. From brisket to pork shoulder, this machine keeps temperatures consistent. The dual-band Wi-Fi support enhances connectivity, reducing dropouts and improving reliability when using the companion app. Through the app, you can browse a vast library of recipes, monitor progress in real time, and receive notifications when your cooking session is complete. This kind of control adds flexibility to busy schedules. The IPX7 water resistance rating is a notable upgrade. It means the unit can withstand accidental splashes or brief submersion without damage, offering peace of mind in a busy kitchen environment.
The build quality feels refined, and the modern matte finish gives it a sleek, professional look. The interface is streamlined with a clear digital display and responsive controls. Setup is quick, and cleaning is simple thanks to the removable stainless steel skirt. Overall, the Innova Precision Cooker 3.0 stands out as a feature-rich, high-performance sous vide machine that combines speed, smart connectivity, and enhanced durability for serious home cooks. Next, we have the Sous Vide machine's Sous Vide cooker. This model focuses on straightforward performance and accessibility. It offers 1100 watts of powerful heating, a wide temperature range from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 198.5 degrees Fahrenheit, and a 360-degree water circulation system for even cooking. The 1100-watt heater ensures rapid water heating and stable temperature maintenance, which is critical for achieving that perfect medium-rare steak or tender, juicy chicken. The 360-degree circulation system distributes heat evenly throughout the container, eliminating hot or cold spots. The wide temperature range makes it versatile enough for everything from delicate custards to slow-cooked short ribs. Whether you're preparing vegetables at lower temperatures or proteins at precise heat levels, this cooker handles it confidently. The digital display is straightforward and user-friendly, allowing you to adjust time and temperature with ease. It's designed for quick setup, which is ideal for beginners stepping into the world of sous vide cooking. Its compact form factor makes storage convenient, and the clamp attachment fits securely onto most containers. The stainless steel build adds durability while maintaining a clean, modern aesthetic. Overall, this sous vide cooker provides strong heating power, dependable circulation, and easy operation, making it a practical choice for everyday sous vide cooking. The last one on our list is the Innova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker Nano 2.0. If portability and convenience are your priorities, the Nano 2.0 stands out. It features a compact and lightweight design, 850 watts of precise heating power, and Bluetooth connectivity for app control. Despite its smaller size, it delivers impressive results. The 850-watt heater may be slightly less powerful than larger models, but it's more than capable for standard home cooking tasks. It heats efficiently and maintains steady temperatures, ensuring consistent doneness from edge to center. Overall, the Innova Nano 2.0 is a compact, stylish, and reliable sous vide machine that offers excellent precision and portability for home cooks who want quality without bulk. So that's it for the best sous vide machines on the market. Whether you prioritize smart connectivity, powerful heating, compact design, or budget-friendly performance, there's a model here that fits your cooking style. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.